If you notice bright patches or glowing corners on your gaming monitor, especially during dark scenes, that's called backlight bleed, and it can make gaming, watching movies, and even everyday use less enjoyable. So in today's video, we are going to show you what backlight bleed is, how to determine if it's actually a problem, and the best methods you can use to reduce or fix it. Let's begin. Before we attempt any fixes, it's important to determine how severe the issue actually is. So you need to test your monitor properly. Okay? So set your monitor brightness to your normal viewing level. Display a completely black image and test in a dark room. Avoid increasing camera exposure when taking photos because cameras often exaggerate backlight bleed. Judge with your eyes, not with your phone camera. Okay? Second option that you can do is to lower the monitor brightness. This is one of the simplest solutions, which is often overlooked, is reducing your monitor's brightness level. Many gamers run their displays at maximum brightness, which can make backlight bleed appear much worse than it really is. So try lowering brightness gradually until the glow becomes less noticeable while still maintaining comfortable visibility. And then you might want to check the panel pressure. Sometimes backlight bleed is caused by uneven pressure from the monitor's frame. Turn off the monitor and carefully inspect the bezel. If certain areas appear unusually bright, there may be excessive pressure on the panel. If your monitor has accessible screws on the rear housing, slightly loosen them can sometimes reduce pressure-related bleed. Be careful not to overdo it. Okay, but of course you need to proceed carefully and avoid disassembling the monitor. Now, you might want to reposition your viewing angle. IPS glow and backlight bleed are often confused. So try adjusting your seating position, monitor height, and viewing angle. If the glow changes as you move your head, you're likely seeing IPS glow rather than true backlight bleed. A proper viewing position can significantly reduce the effect. And of course, you can use the ambient lighting. Adding soft ambient lighting behind your monitor can make backlight bleed much less noticeable. This technique, known as bias lighting, reduces eye strain and improves perceived contrast during dark scenes. It's one of the easiest and most effective solution for gamers. And of course, you might want to check the warranty or replacement options. Now, if your monitor has severe backlight bleed that's clearly visible during normal use, consider contacting the manufacturer. Many companies may offer a replacement if the issue falls outside acceptable quality standards. Take a clear photos and document the problem before contacting support. Now, because of the internet fixes that recommend pressing hard on the screen, messaging the panel, or opening the monitors, these methods can permanently damage your display and may void your warranty. Backlight bleed is a common issue on many gaming options, especially IPS displays. While it can't always be completely eliminated, reducing the brightness, improving viewing angles, enabling dimming features, and using bias lighting can dramatically improve your experience. But if your bleed is severe enough to affect everyday use, contacting the manufacturer for a replacement may be your best option. Basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.